Welcome. DrayMaster's bid tool significantly decreases the amount of time it takes to process RFQs. Simply upload the RFQ details and DrayMaster will process the request based on the rate set selected. In this video, we are going to review importing bid details, mapping fields, the processing and validation steps, checking bid result status, and downloading bid results. To access the bid tool, click on Bid Tool from the main menu, and then click on Run Search. First, enter a descriptive name for this bid so you can identify it at a later time. The Bid tool offers two options to get the bid into the system. The first option is to download a template and copy and paste the information from the bid into the appropriate columns, saving the template and then uploading it, or you can do it the easy way. Simply drag the bid you received into the upload box or click inside the box and navigate to the file location and select it. Bids with multiple tabs on the spreadsheet must be processed one tab per upload. This is accomplished by saving the spreadsheet with the tab you want to be processed in an active state. Use the File Save As command and save the spreadsheet by naming it with the company name who the bid is from, followed by the name of the tab that was active. In this example, the active tab was Chicago. To process another tab, open the spreadsheet. Click on the tab to make it active. Now save the spreadsheet and change the file name to reflect the active tab, and it will be ready for processing. With the bid file selected, choose the rate level that you want to apply when processing this bid, and click on Upload. Next, map the fields from the original RFQ spreadsheet. The first field is the door, or where the shipment will either be delivered to or picked up from. When selecting the column, select the option that best applies. In this example, there is a separate column for the state. The Deliver To column does not appear to have any terminals or ports listed. Some RFQs will have both imports and exports in the same column. Select this option if that is the case. Select the column where the state is located in the spreadsheet for the pickup or delivery point. The third column and final required field is the column that contains the rail terminal or port city or city and state. For the terminal column, check to see if there is also door locations mixed in this column. If the terminal column contains both terminals and door locations, check this box. In this RFQ, there weren't any mixed in the column. The last four items may or may not have a column on the bid spreadsheet that represents the information needed to process this bid. If there is a column on the spreadsheet, select it beside each item. If there isn't, select the appropriate answer from the drop-down boxes on the right. Click Save to start the first step of processing. Once the bid is read into the system, the data will be presented for verification. In this step, ensure that the columns contain the correct data. If you should find something wrong, you can click the Go Back button to make any adjustments necessary. Bid Tool will make the best attempt to figure out the rail terminal or port based on the data provided in the terminal column. In cities like Chicago, where there are multiple terminals, it will be up to you to select the correct rail terminal or port to base the rate retrieval on. To select a different terminal than the one populated by the bid tool, Click on Terminals and the available terminals will be displayed. From here, you can select the correct terminal. If the same terminal as the one selected in the row applies to all of the points in the bid, simply click on Apply Selection to All Lanes and the terminal will be populated on every line item. Click Continue to process the RFQ. Depending on the number of rows in the bid submitted, Bid Tool may take some time to process the request and will process in the background, allowing you to do other tasks in DrayMaster. When Bid Tool has completed, you will be notified. Click Close Now and wait for your notification. To check the status of a bid or to download the results, click on Download Queue under Bid Tool in the left navigation bar. If the bid is still processing, you will see the progress here. When a bid has completed processing, click on Download to get the results. And like magic, Bid Tool has swiftly gone and retrieved the rates from the tariff you chose and has placed them in the same row as the original bid. Bid Tool added 9 columns to the original spreadsheet. Place the rate you would like to submit in the column requested on the original bid. When you have completed filling in your final price, simply delete the columns that Bid Tool added and submit the bid back to your customer. Completing bid requests has never been easier thanks to DrayMaster.